Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete KuCoin account. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, you have to of course open up the KuCoin mobile application, and then you will have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Over here, you will see these options. You just have to simply tap on this security. In the security, you are going to see the option of delete account. So if you tap on this delete account, it will show you this prompt which says that by continuing, then you have to read and agree to the following terms and conditions. And after deleting your account, all of your data in your account will be deleted. All of your APIs will be deleted. You will no longer be able to log in, deposit, withdraw, or trade with our account. All the trading history in your account will be deleted as well. So these are the consequences or the repercussions of the deletion of your account. Still, if you want to delete it, then you will have to check this box. I fully understand and accept the consequences, and then you have to simply tap on this delete account. After that, it will ask you to provide the reason of your deletion. So among the given options, you just have to select the reason that you have. If you have any other reason, then after selecting other, you will have to provide your reason in this field. Then you need to press next. On the next page, you just have to confirm your deletion, and this way you can easily delete your KuCoin account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.